Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR JPY bearish bias on the charts as we head into the Fed. http ntvforex.com news ID 4309B0. July 28, 2350 GMT. By Ross J. Berland. EUR JPY is currently trading with a bearish bias at 123.16 between a session S range of 123.02 and 123.19 so far. The themes in play are supporting a bid on the yen while investors move to the sidelines ahead of today's Federal Reserve meeting, and while there are slimming expectations of a U.S. rescue deal which weighs on risk sentiment and the greenback. However, there was a technical bid on the DXY and consequently, EUR USD chopped down 30 pips overnight while the USD JPY fell from 105.65 to 104.96, a fresh low since March on falling equities. Looking ahead, analysts at Westpac explain that YHE-FOMC is expected to hold fire after today's meeting, but markets will be watching the post-meeting press conference closely for comment on risks and options for further easing. Many forecasters expect a change in forward guidance on rates at the September meeting. All eyes to the Fed. Meanwhile, the U.S. Federal Reserve announced an extension of most of its emergency lending measures, which were due to expire around September 30, until year-end, with the exception of their commercial paper funding facility extended to March 2021, the analysts explained. The 3-month extension will facilitate planning by potential facility participants and provide certainty that the facilities will continue to be available to help the economy recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, the Fed statement said. Since mid-March, the Fed has started 9 emergency programs aimed at pumping liquidity into short-term credit markets and extending credit to businesses and local governments affected by the economic fallout from COVID. EUR JPY levels. EUR JPY is sitting just below the June high at 124.43 and the 200-week MA at 124.80. On a nearer-term analysis, we see the price entering a symmetrical triangle on the 15-minute charts as an hourly bearish impulse corrects to a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. This equates to a bearish bias on a break of the triangle, and bears will look towards a 3-month uptrend at 121.80. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.